Hello, our Desi and Pardesi friends. I'm Shweta
I'm Naveen.
and welcome to A Desi Abroad. Today we are going to make for you a classic Greek spinach pie which is called Spanakopita, and this is a pie that we tasted on one of our holidays to Greece. Friends, what a beautiful country Greece is. And on our trip we traveled to so many different places in Greece and ate all the delicious local food. These are some of the pictures from our trip, and yes, that's a lot of food that we ate, but my, what a gastronomical adventure it was. And we would like to share this Greek adventure with you by cooking for you this delicious Spanish pie. So here's a list of the ingredients we need to prepare this pie. Let's start by chopping up a few parsley and dill leaves, one spring onion, and dice one medium-sized onion. To cook the spinach filling, here we have a pan, and to it I've added about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and once the oil is hot, add in the chopped onions. Saute till the onions turn translucent. Now once the onions have turned translucent, I'm adding in the spinach leaves. So here I'm using baby spinach, and that's why I haven't chopped it up. And in case you're using the larger spinach leaves, then chop them before you add them to the pan. The spinach will start releasing a lot of water as it cooks, so keep sauteing it occasionally and cook till all this liquid has evaporated. Add salt to taste and 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Then we'll add in the chopped spring onions and the chopped herbs, the parsley and the dill leaves. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly and continue to cook for another minute or so. The moisture has almost completely evaporated from the spinach, so here we are adding in 100 grams of feta cheese and 100 grams of ricotta cheese. Roughly shred this up and then add it to the spinach mixture. Give this a quick mix and make sure that the spinach and the cheese have mixed together properly. Now here we are adding in grated nutmeg powder. A pinch of this will be more than enough. And then we grate in a little bit of the lime zest. The quantity of it would be not more than 1/4 teaspoon. And now you can see how well all the ingredients have cooked together. There is no more moisture left in the pan. So now it's time to transfer this to a baking dish. Now here we are greasing the baking dish thoroughly with olive oil, and then we are going to line this with the Filo Pastry sheets. So make sure that you grease the sheets properly. So I'm using regular olive oil here to grease the sheets. Make sure that you have a coating of olive oil between each Filo Pastry sheet so that when it bakes, each of the layers cook separately and crisp up. Now once the baking dish is thoroughly lined with the Filo Pastry sheets, transfer in the spinach mixture. And we need to cover this mixture with a few more Filo Pastry sheets. You don't have to be absolutely neat and tidy as to how you arrange these sheets on top. The messier it is, the more air gets in and the more crispy it gets. Coat the top properly with a layer of olive oil. So here we are making a cross slit in the pie. This will allow the flow of air while baking, and the pastry sheets will crisp up. And then bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 40 minutes. So here the oven that I'm using is an electric oven. After 40 minutes of baking, leave the pie in the oven to cool for about 20 minutes, and then it is ready to be plated. And you can see how delicious it's come out. Each layer of Filo Pastry sheet has crisped up, and the spinach in the center is so juicy and delicious. Believe me, once you start eating this, you won't be able to stop at one slice. You will at least want to have 2 slices of it. Well, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. We will see you soon with another mouth-watering recipe. Until then, stay safe and happy.